Almost every motor, panel, and machine you'll wire in the field runs on three-phase power. Let's finally meet it. It looks intimidating, but the core idea is simple. Instead of one AC wave, you have three. Let's build it up from what you already know. You've been working with single phase, one voltage, rising and falling as a single sine wave. Three phase uses three separate hot conductors, each carrying its own sine wave. But here's the key. The three waves are staggered, each one a third of a cycle apart. That's 120 degrees. So while one phase is at its peak, the others are somewhere else. They take turns. Why bother with three? First, smooth power. As the three waves overlap, the total power delivered never drops to zero. Single phase pulses, three phase is steady. That's easier on motors and equipment. Second, those three staggered phases create a rotating magnetic field, which spins a motor all on its own. And third, you get more power through less copper. That's why the grid and every big machine runs on three phase. There are two ways to connect the three windings. Y, shaped like a Y or a star. The three phases tie together at a common center point, giving you a neutral. That's four wires. Delta, shaped like a triangle. The three windings connect end to end in a loop. That's three wires. Which one you have changes how the voltages and currents relate. And that relationship always involves one number, the square root of 3, about 1.732. In a Y connection, the line voltage is the square root of 3 times the phase voltage, but the line current equals the phase current. In a delta connection, it flips. The line current is the square root of 3 times the phase current, and the line voltage equals the phase voltage. Let's make it real. With the most common system you'll see. Take a Y with 120 volts on each phase, phase to neutral. Line to line, the voltage is the square root of 3 times 120, which is about 208 volts. That's your 120 over 208 panel. Line to line is 208. Bump the phase voltage to 277 and the line voltage becomes 480. The other system you'll see everywhere. To recap, three phase is three AC waves 120 degrees apart for smoother power and self-spinning motors. Connect them in a Y for a neutral and higher line voltage, or a delta for three wires. And the square root of 3 ties the line and phase values together. Next time, we'll use these relationships to actually calculate three-phase power and load currents. See you at the board.